JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning, Suwanee, Georgia. This is a repeat customer. It's our third job of the day. They've got what they said was a blood situation here in the carpet. It's obviously dried. I'm going to assume that's all blood too, but yeah, I guess that is blood. So this is more of a, what we call a clean up situation versus a cleaning. So we'll do a quick demo real quick here for you. I already spot cleaned a couple of these areas. And you can see that the spot cleaner is taking it right out. So we'll do this real quick. That one spot's probably going to take a little more. We'll shoot that video separately. Okay, this job took about 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes. Still some darkness in the carpet where the carpet is damp. But all the blood came out, so I'm sure that our customer is going to be very happy with the results. So again, JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning, 404-500-9853. We do put people in the carpet cleaning business, floor care business. We can teach you how to do what we do without a truck mount. Not really sure why you want the expense and hassle of a truck mount when there's plenty of more profitable, easier work without the truck mount. So visit us on the web, omgfloorcare.com/Mondays or 404-500-9853. Thank you for watching, and as always, be kind. Take care.